First day of the day of October. Kanya, grabing kalisang nato no. Tungod sa mga trahedya nga nangitabo sa Cebu. So shout out ko sa taga Cebu. So mga born again Christian, SDA, o Baptist, whatever your religion, I want to pray to God. Because why? Every prayer to save anyone people. Every prayer to all people that God save us. Yun lang po guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. God bless us all.